Hey, it's Ernest McKinnis here. I'm just gonna show you guys how to install a cord on a stove. So this is what I have here. If I could change my camera around, let's see. Yeah, you see here, you have 3 different wires. You have your hot right here, your white being your neutral, and you have the black as being another hot wire. On this 3-wire cord, it's made like that right there. You don't really need a ground. It's probably grounded already. But this is what it looks like. This is your cord. This right here is my red. That's my black over here. And that's my neutral wire. So it's going to the white, to the black, and to the red. So guys, just check that out. If you ever need help, don't be afraid to get a licensed professional to do it. But basically, you can do this at home by yourself.